Dear students, we have learned what is linear search, and now this is the program of linear search using function. As you know that linear search is sequential searching, and we search any value from the first location of the list. First we will create a list and we will pass that list in the function. Till now we have only done programs without functions, but now onwards we will use functions in every program because functions are our main topic in this class 12. So see here students, this is the def statement, search is the name of the function, array is the name of the list, and x is the search element which we want to search in the list. Loop is there for I in range, len, array is the list. If array I double equal to x, means if its element first zeroth position, it will check in for zeroth position. If element found at its zeroth position, then it will return the position, that is I. And if element is not found, then it will return -1. First, this loop will execute n number of times, that is less than the length of list. So when this loop whole will execute, after that this statement will be executed, because if element is not found, then loop will be terminated and then return -1. And in between, if element is found, then the position will be returned in the function. Now we come to main program, that is here L is the list equal to eval input enter list values. Eval function is used to input values in the form of list. So we will input values in square brackets, comma separated values in the list. Remember, we will use here only integer or floating point values, because it will not work on strings. X equal to int input enter the search value. Now from the list of suppose 5 elements or 10 elements, whatever you have given by the user, then whatever value you want to search, you will provide in X. Then we will call this function. R is the return value, equal to search is the name of the function, L is the list, and X is the search value. This function when called, it goes to this function definition part, and it will search the element using loop. If it is found, then it will return the position in I, and if the element is not found in the list, then it will return, the function will return -1, and the value which will be returned will save in R. Now if R double equal to -1 means the value which is returned is -1, then it means element not found in the list. Otherwise element found, whatever element will be found, the position is returned in R. So we will print the position, else print element found at R. I hope you will understand this program. This is linear search. Now we will learn binary search. What is binary search and how it is different from linear search? What is the difference between the two? And the program of binary search using function. And after that we will learn binary search using random function. Okay students, thank you.